Hello and welcome to the Overnight Coder. Today we're going to go over just a quick, the questions we've got so far on our channel here by Patrick. So it would be interesting to see how to change the WooCommerce menu. For instance, we deleted the wish list, but it's still in the menu. I did notice that, and I kind of seen what you were talking about, and it took me a second to kind of realize what was going on there. And then another question was, how can you change the color of the money amount? It's black, although we selected brown for the text. So let's just go over those options. Right now I'm looking at my text. I went ahead and changed red, and I'm going to show you how to do that. There's a manual styling way to do that. I wasn't able to find the price edit in the theme options where I could easily go in and select an option. So I'm going to show you a little bit of CSS and how I found that to be about. So the first thing was going over the WooCommerce menu. This is where it's at. Wish list. I couldn't get rid of this. I couldn't find the menu. I couldn't access this. The problem is we automatically downloaded that plugin. So as soon as I go to plugin, I've got the WooCommerce wish list. You don't want that in there, just deactivate it. Not only deactivate it, go ahead and delete it when you're done. But if I show my site now, it's no longer in there. So that's the easy way of getting rid of that wish list. And it actually took me a little bit to find. Like I was like, I couldn't find the automated. It just gets added in there. Next is, the color amount. So looking at this color amount here, I couldn't find it in the theme settings, so it didn't allow me to change that automatically. I want to show you a real cool trick is I right click just the individual price and I click inspect. And the first thing that pulls up is the span amount. This code here, I just want to copy. This is the color I want to change. If I want to kind of check it here on site, I can do that. Like I can check this, I can make it maybe a blue right now, and now you can see it's blue. I don't really like that. Maybe like gray, or maybe pink to go with the site. But I get the color picker on, or otherwise I can just put in a color. DD 1 2 3 4. Go with that color, yeah. So once I copy this, span dot amount, in the brackets and the color, I can easily go to my dashboard and go to Flatsome options, theme options. Style. Now it's custom CSS. I open my editor. This for you will be blank. This is where I paste in the span dot amount, and then I have my color hex code here. Remember, you can do anything you want. It's going to be white. But that's it. So I can specify that specifically. And you can do that with anything. Like I can do that with these. If I wanted to manually override what I have going on there. Maybe I want to manually, you shouldn't have to do that with a lot of things. Like the titles would be in remember this title, we could see the styling in the UX builder before. But a lot of things, even if you wanted to go over that styler, you could just inspect element, and make this specifically. Here it is, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 are all this color. I could change that color to red. I test it here. Once I know that, yeah, that has changed, I'll copy this. Now all my H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and my heading fonts will be this color if I paste that in the styles. Have fun.